Hi everyone. For the next few minutes, we will be discussing coordinates and coordinate planes for a little help on your summer assignment. Let's start with a recap of what coordinates and coordinate planes are. A coordinate plane is formed by the connection or intersection of two main lines. These lines are known as axes, and there are two. The vertical line is the y-axis, and the horizontal line is the x-axis. These lines are perpendicular and intersect at the origin point, which is coordinate 0, 0. The axes are number lines with integers on them, and use integers from both of the axes to find a coordinate that satisfies both of the scales. These coordinates are ordered pairs of numbers on the axes. When naming a coordinate, you always start with the x-coordinate and then the y-coordinate. For example, let's try to find coordinate 2, 3. Since this is point 2, 3, it's the second integer on the x-axis and the third on the y-axis. Since we're finding the point on a graph, it can help to count. Let's start with finding our x. Start at the origin point, then go over 2. We now know that the coordinate will be somewhere on this line, because our x value is 2. Now, let's find our y. Since it's 3, we can count up 3 to find it. Now we have our coordinate 2, 3. It satisfies both axes. Now, on your own, try to find coordinate 5, 4. Pause the video and play it when you find the answer or you're still confused. Alright, now we're going to work through this problem together. Since this is 0.54, it's the fifth integer on the x-axis and the fourth on the y-axis. Let's start with finding our x value again. Start at the origin point, then go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We now know that the coordinate will be somewhere on this line because our x-axis value is 5. Now let's find the y value. Since it's 4, we can count up 4 to find it. And that's 4. This point should be your answer. As we can see, the point is 4 on the y-axis and 5 on the x-axis. Sometimes it's easier to label the point with a variable instead of a coordinate. You may be given a letter out of the alphabet on a plane and asked to find its coordinate. Right now we're going to try to find coordinate A. By looking at the coordinate, we can see that the y value is 0. Coordinate A is still lying on the x-axis. Now we need to see how far over it is. The coordinate is over 1 on the x-axis and up 0 on the y-axis. Therefore, our answer for this would be coordinate 1, 0. Now we are going to find coordinate E. The easiest way to solve these kinds of problems are to draw lines connecting the point to either of the axes. In this case, our point is E. So you would draw lines connecting it to the y-axis and the x-axis, and you can see the values, which are the coordinates. See, now we know that our x value is 4. And now we know that our y value is 4. So that's just a quick way to find these type of coordinates. And of course, you can always count using the method that we explained before to find or to check your answer for the coordinates. So the coordinate for E would be 4, 4. Now, on your own, try to find the coordinate for B. Pause the video and play it when you're ready. Now, let's check your answer. So we can see that point B is there, and we're going to use the method that we just learned and draw lines connecting to either of the axes. So we know that our y value is 3 and our x value is 1. From this video, we have reviewed the definitions of coordinate planes and coordinates. In addition, we have also tried a few practice problems and learned a few methods to solving those problems. I hope this helps in your summer assignment. Good luck and have a great day.